In today's video, we are going to cover how to disable client portal access in Clio Manage. You should already be signed in to your Clio Manage account, so from here, look to the left side of the screen and click Settings in the navigation menu. This opens the area where system and account level options are managed. Once you are in Settings, move to the System section. Under that section, click Manage Users. This will take you to the page where active and inactive user accounts are listed and where account status can be changed. When the Manage Users page opens, stay on the Active tab. This is important because the account you want to disable needs to be selected from the list of users who currently have access. If another tab is selected, switch back to Active before continuing. Now find the user whose access you want to disable. Take a moment here to make sure you are looking at the correct account before making any change, especially if there are several users with similar roles or names shown in the list. After you locate the right user, go to the Actions column on the same row. Next to the Edit option, click the drop-down arrow. This opens a small menu with additional actions available for that user account. From that drop-down menu, click Deactivate. This starts the process of turning off that user's access, including their client portal access tied to the active account status. After selecting Deactivate, a confirmation prompt will appear on screen. Review the prompt carefully so you can confirm that you are deactivating the intended user. When everything looks correct, confirm the deactivation to complete the change. Once the action has been processed, verify the result on the Manage Users page. Check that the user no longer appears under Active Users. If your account layout includes an inactive section or tab, confirm that the user now appears there instead. This gives you a quick way to make sure the deactivation was applied successfully. If the user still appears under Active, pause for a moment in case the page is still updating, then review the list again. The key thing you are checking is that the account is no longer active and is shown as inactive when applicable. Thanks for watching. The selected user has now been deactivated and is no longer listed as an active user in Clio Manage.